knife the door to kill it.
Well, to let them know you're there, actually.
Right, either way. Anytime during this entire Easter egg process, if you want to let them know that you're there or that you've completed an objective, knifing the door is how you do that.
Eventually, they'll ask you to find a fuse to power the door that they're stuck behind in their various comedy accents. Your character should respond, and once they do, head upstairs for a fuse hunt. Look for it on this table, this desk, or on the floor just to the left of the cabinet. It should be in one of these 3 locations.
Once the fuse is in place, the Marx Brothers back here will start arguing amongst themselves again. Honestly, so when have they ever got any zombie killing done? Richtofen will ask you to eliminate 4 generators around the map. Something to bear in mind here is that the generators can only be destroyed by grenades or the scavenger sniper rifle from the mystery box.
Now the first one you can't miss. It's right there, right by the door. Just turn around and hit it with a grenade.
The next closest is just outside near the bottom of the lighthouse. Head out this door, then look to your right as you move forwards.
Next up, head back into the lighthouse and out the back door on the bottom floor. You can see the generators by peering through the back window of the building with a stamina Perks-a-Cola machine.
Lastly, head up towards the power switch and look down off the side of the boat and to the right here.
Once that's done, head back to the banged up quartet and knife the door, the universal sign for having destroyed 4 generators.
Finally, Nikolai wakes up and in an astonishingly sensitive and non-stereotypical portrayal of a Russian character, instantly demands vodka.
I need vodka!
Right, now a deliciously chilled bottle of the spirit in question will spawn on a railing somewhere on the map.
The bottle can spawn anywhere on the map, but it'll always be on a railing you can stand under. Once you find it, one person needs to cut the bottle from up top to break it from the ice.
The other person needs to be waiting below with safe hands ready to catch it like a hero. Booze in hand, you now want to head back to the door. When you get there, look to the left of the door to see a clear tube. Put the bottle in the tube with air.